Hello and welcome to the fourth video that I'll be posting in my tutorial platformer series. And today we're going to be discussing about these visual lines that appear. So these visual lines appear because of how Unity is created and how Unity implements our tilesets that we cut in the previous video. So these are the tilesets that we cut, and as you can see, these are actually perfectly matched with the squares. However, as we can see from the game view here, there is a line between these tiles, although there is not when we are looking in this tile. So the reason why this happens is because, of course, Unity has its own flaws. And these flaws are the fact that these tiles, when we are integrating in the game view, don't want to be crashed or collided with each other. And the way Unity makes sure this doesn't happen is by making or giving a gap between them. However, although we have cut it perfectly, this will cause negative effects. As you can see, there's a line here and it's not that great. So what we're gonna do to fix the problem is actually creating a material. So if we go to assets here, we can right click and we're gonna create a material. We're gonna make sure that the shader is not standard, because standard is for the 3D models. Meanwhile, we're gonna click on the sprites and default, because we wanna make sure that this sprite here and all the features needed is found in the material sprite shader. And then we're gonna go to the pixel snap and make sure it's on. By doing so, Unity is gonna recognize that, oh, we've enabled pixel snap, so Unity will try to make sure that each pixel will crash each other or collide perfectly. Yeah. Now we're gonna go to a new material, right click, rename this into something that's really to remember, like tiles material. Yeah. You can simply go to the background here, and you can either do this two ways. You can either drag tiles material directly here to the bottom, right here to the bottom like this, and it's gonna crash tiles material. Or you can click material and just choose tiles material, which is this one. Then you can go to the foreground too and drag tiles material too. As you can see now in the scene view that we have these lines here. But this isn't a problem, because this is just Unity's, how to say, developer view from the scene view, and what the player will see is the game view. And in the game view we can see that there's no lines. So as the game developer, we will ignore these lines, as these are just lines formed because we activated pixel snap. However, in the game view, which is the view that the player will see when we export the game, there's no lines. So this is how to solve the problem. So make sure you also place this in the background, because we don't want the lines to also appear. As you can see, there's no lines appearing in the background too. And yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys understand more about Unity platformer making, and I'll see you in the next video.